This is the Eagle Eye Network's Technology Partner Spotlight. My name is Jason Doming, and I'm excited to tell you more about CoreSpec3D. What is CoreSpec3D? CoreSpec instantly transforms 2D floor plan images into interactive 3D floor plans they call digital twins. You can easily create, share, and collaborate in these live digital twins across multiple devices. With CoreSpec3D, sharing crucial building information becomes effortless, empowering teams to stay up to date with all changes. No floor plan? No problem. Utilize their LiDAR features to scan your spaces to generate your digital twins. It's perfect for landing new clients, designing security layouts and materials to provide to your implementation teams, and it can be used as a differentiator you can deliver to your customers. What are some of the benefits? Leveraging the Eagle Eye API, users gain access to real-time location data, viewing angles, and live video streams from all connected cameras, enhancing on-site security teams as well as first responders. What's more, the software is entirely self-service and integrates seamlessly with Eagle Eye, requiring no additional hardware setup. To learn more about this technology partner and many others, please visit een.com/partners. Do you have a technology company that you would like us to integrate with? Feel free to send us an email at productfeedback@een.com and we'll follow up ASAP.